students, this is page number 43, sum number 5, and let's wrap up with chapter number 2 of bookkeeping and accountancy. I'm taking one more problem on accounting equation, problem number 5, because this is a very important topic for the future also. Okay, so let's begin. Show accounting equation for the following transaction. Rohit started business with cash 50,000. Rohit started business with cash 50,000. Cash is an asset. 50,000 asset, liability नहीं है, capital is 50,000. Okay, okay, easy है, easy लगेगा क्योंकि इतने सारे प्रॉब्लम हो चुके हैं ना, तो ये easy लगेगा. Okay, आगे चलते हैं. Sold goods, sorry, bought goods on credit from Manoj rupees 6,000. Bought goods, goods खरीदा. Stock of goods will increase. Bought goods, purchase goods, stock of goods will increase. Assets will increase. Assets will increase. Assets will increase. Assets will increase. So 6,000 assets will increase. Now you have bought goods on credit from Manoj. मतलब मनोज को पैसे देने हैं. मनोज बाहर वाला है. मनोज बाहर वाला है. Liability, पैसे देने हैं. Already we have discussed this type of adjustments. 56,000 equal to 6,000 plus 50,000. Any props? No props. Cash purchases 5,000. Cash purchases 5,000. Actually, the meaning of the sentence is goods purchased on cash. Goods purchased for cash rupees 5,000. When you are purchasing goods, stock of goods will increase. When you are purchasing goods, stock of goods will increase. When you are purchasing goods, stock of goods will increase. When you are purchasing goods, stock of goods will increase. That means assets will increase 5,000. And you are purchasing it on cash. तो कैश में खरीद रहे हैं, तो सामान तो आ रहा है लेकिन कैश जा रहा है. सामान तो आ रहा है लेकिन कैश जा रहा है. कैश जा रहा है मतलब क्या? कैश जा रहा है मतलब क्या? कैश जा रहा है मतलब क्या? असेट कम हो रहा है. असेट कम हो रहा है. 5,000 asset is decreasing. So we will get 56,000, same amount. 6,000 plus 50,000. Okay? आगे चलते हैं. Paid wages to casual labor 3,000. Paid what you pay, 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 cash you pay. That means your cash goes out. That means your asset will decrease. Your asset will decrease by 3,000. Your asset will decrease by 3,000. You are paying wages. You are paying wages. That means इधर लिखा था मैंने कल के लेक्चर में भी, देखो expenses है. किसका? एक्सपेंसेस अंदर वालों का. एक्सपेंसेस किसका? अंदर वालों का. दैट मीन्स योर कैपिटल विल डिक्रीज. दिस विल बी 0. सो इट विल बी 53,000 इक्वल टू 6,000 प्लस 47,000. ओके. सोल्ड गुड्स टू संतोष ऑन क्रेडिट. सोल्ड गुड्स, सेलिंग गुड्स, गुड्स बेचना मतलब स्टॉक ऑफ गुड्स विल डिक्रीज. गुड्स बेच रहा है, स्टॉक ऑफ गुड्स विल डिक्रीज. गुड्स बेच रहा है, स्टॉक ऑफ गुड्स विल डिक्रीज. गुड्स बेच रहा है, स्टॉक ऑफ गुड्स विल डिक्रीज मतलब असेट कम होएगा 7,000. अरे बराबर है, क्लियर है. व्हेन यू आर सेलिंग गुड्स असेट्स कम होएगा. टू संतोष मतलब संतोष से पैसा लेना है. संतोष से पैसा लेना है. पैसा लेना है इज एन असेट. पैसा देना है is a liability. If you remember, पैसा देना है तो is an asset. So asset will also increase by 7,000. That means you will get same amount 53,000, 6,000 plus 47,000. अरे बराबर है. आगे चलते हैं. Received commission, received commission, received commission, received what you receive, 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 received what you receive. You receive what? You receive cash. That means your asset will increase 1,000. Asset will increase. Received 1,000. That means your asset will increase by 1000. अरे बराबर है. That means your asset will increase by 1000. And received what? Commission. That means income. Expenses अंदर वालों का. तो मैंने लिखा था income भी अंदर वालों का. Income भी अंदर वालों का. That means your capital will increase by 1000. Here it will be 0. So it will be 54,000, 6,000 plus 48,000. Okay. That means with this we complete our topic. With this we complete your accounting equations also. Shahid Memon signing off.